I'm artist Nguyen, and we are here in Tongva Park, and we are standing in front of my fiber art installation, High Hopes, which is a supported project of the Art of Recovery Initiative. For me, this piece is a celebration of community coming together. It took over 200 individuals, community members in Santa Monica City to make all of these flags here, and 2.5 years of collective effort to make this work happen. Each flag is different and unique, and they all coexist in harmony with one another. This work is a celebration of hope, of peace, and of our collective power. When you come here to Tongva Park, be underneath this dome, this installation, this beauty made by so many hands. I hope that you will see a more positive vision for our future and for our society, and come away perhaps with a little bit more hope in your life.